What's up, guys and gals? Today, as you can see, we're taking delivery of our VF2 SS, as I'm gonna get smoked here. And then we're gonna move around a couple other machines, and we'll take you with us. I barely hit the grass, dude, that was mint. Yeah, you'll be good, dude. Oh, it's soft today, boy.
Alright, part of the game. You're good to go.
What's up, guys? Now we got the new VF2 SS in its new home next to the VF4 and VF5. We just got our DS30Y in place too. So we gotta take a little bit of time to wire everything up, redo some airlines and whatnot, but then we'll get back to doing what we do best, making new parts to bring to you guys. Until then.